Assalamu alaikum preps class. It's a time for your Smart Learner series, my reading book, as you all have done till page number 4. Today we will start page number 5, the new words. Okay students, keep this to your mind, keep this thing in your mind, that if you are confused in sounds, okay, in sounds and the letters, okay, students are confused in letters, but please students, don't be confused. You can read the way whatever you like, okay. For example, like here, okay, if you want to read it a p p l a, apple, or if you want to pronounce it like this, a p p a p p l e, apple. This is right, both are right, don't be confused, okay. After that, st a r, star, l a f, leaf, sh, okay, the combining sound s and sh, okay, s and h, it combined sound is sh, okay. आप इसको सिंगल नहीं पढ़ सकते. दिस इज श, श ई र ट, शर्ट, st e ख क, stick, okay. Only 5 letters. I will same like this, I will relate these lessons from you, okay. Please students, whatever you want to do, you can.